Well, they love you so much, so much. They're all patiently waiting for you. I'm sure they have plenty of questions to ask.
Okay. Can I start? Hi. Yeah.
Yes.
रणवीर, आपके सामने। रणवीर यहाँ पे एक सवाल है मेरा। यहाँ नीचे देखिए। यहाँ। अच्छा रणवीर, इंडस्ट्री के सभी सुपरस्टार्स जाने जाते हैं अपने लेट आने वाले एटीट्यूड।
एक मिनट।
तो सुनिए तो सवाल तो खत्म हो जाए।
Lovers, friends and bodybuilders, आपको मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार।
अरे वाह!
How are you doing today? I'm feeling damn hungry. Does anybody have a protein bar?
Protein bar?
No. Only if it's approved by my man here, Louis J. Overton, ladies and gentlemen. My man with a plan. He is running my life pretty much. Tells me exactly what to do. And I know that if I just listen to him and stick to what he tells me to do, I know I'll achieve some good results. But yeah, on to your question. I'm so sorry, sir. I just had to address all these lovely people out there. Hi.
It's okay, Ranveer.
Hi, Sunita. कैसी है तू?
जी, रणवीर यहाँ पे अभी सवाल सुन लीजिए।
हाँ।
वैसे तो इंडस्ट्री के सभी सुपरस्टार्स अपने लेट आने वाले एटीट्यूड की वजह से जाने जाते हैं।
जी।
क्या आपने खुद को एक नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार मान लिया?
सर, मेरा गणित एक्चुअली खराब है। मैं मैथमेटिक्स में फेलियर रहा था, तो मैंने जो कैलकुलेट किया था अंधेरी से गोरेगांव 1 घंटा, वो 2 घंटा लग गया, इसलिए थोड़ा सा लेट आया हूँ। उसके लिए मैं माफी चाहता हूँ। उसके लिए मैं उठक बैठक भी करूंगा, थोड़े लेग्स बन जाएंगे, थोड़ा कार्डियो हो जाएगा।
जी,
इसी बात पे थोड़ी उठक बैठक हो जाए। कैन यू काउंट मी आउट, लुइस?
Well, this is for all of you who are waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you. Next question, please.
बन गए, मेरे ग्लूट्स बन गए। Buns of steel, baby.
अच्छा,
Next question, please. I'm terribly sorry. I really miscalculated the time that it would take to come from Andheri to Goregaon. You know the traffic situation is really bad. So जो 1 घंटा सोचा था वो 2 घंटा हो गया। मैं भी काफी पक गया था गाड़ी में। I couldn't wait to come here and feel this love and energy of all you people. So I'm sorry I'm late, but I'm here. Let's get on with the सवालों का सिलसिला।
Ranveer, a few minutes back, Arjun was here. And he said he finds Deepika and Anushka to be the hottest in the industry.
Who said?
Arjun Kapoor.
अच्छा बेटा।
So who do you think has the hottest body between these two?
Me.
No, between Deepika and Anushka. Between Deepika and Anushka, Ranveer.
But they both have great bodies. The thing is, the both of them are very naturally gifted with great physicality. They're very athletic. They've been blessed with great genetics. Guys like me, and I'll speak for my brother Arjun, who's made this statement. We have to work very hard in the gym, watch our diet, make sure we go every day, 6 times a week, twice a day sometimes. So for people who aren't really blessed with the greatest of genetics, it's a bit harder. But very luckily for the two of them, they've been born with fantastic metabolism and they look fantastic. Even if they can eat whatever they want and they still look good.
Will we also get to see you acting alongside her in Shuddhi?
I don't know, man. I'm doing Zoe Akhtar's movie after I finish Kill Dil, which is what I'm shooting right now, and I haven't decided what movie to do after that, honestly.
Alright, and now since we heard you say you would like a protein bar, there is your protein bar. He's got it! Next question.
Haji, now I am very happy.
रणवीर, फिटनेस की बात होती है,
आप कोई खाएंगे एक बाइट? सॉरी, मैं सिर्फ लड़कियों के साथ शेयर करता हूँ.
ओके. रणवीर, आपने अभी कहा कि आप अपना प्रोटीन बार सिर्फ लड़कियों के साथ शेयर करेंगे, तो कौन सी बॉलीवुड की एक्ट्रेस होगी जिसके साथ आप अपना प्रोटीन बार शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
प्रोटीन बार फिलहाल तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा जी हैं, जो मेरे साथ गुंडे में को स्टार रही हैं और मेरी अगली फिल्म जोया अख्तर की भी वो करेंगी. वो फिलहाल बहुत रिगरस ट्रेनिंग कर रही हैं for her movie Mary Kom, which is produced by my favorite Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and she's going through a very rigorous training regime, and sometimes I've been with her while she's working out in the gym. It's a very intense program. She's working very hard at it. I wish her all the very best for the movie, and I think one of these will help her. So I'll share it with Priyanka Chopra.
Ranveer, here.
She's
Hi.
there.
I'd like
Chocolate.
Thank you. I'd like to ask you, apart from your acting skills, how important do you think for an actor to be successful, he needs to have a good body in Bollywood?
I think for an actor, it's about the characters you play. You know, you're not always, like, for instance, you just have to get briefed by your director what kind of physicality he's visualizing for your character. So Ali Abbas Zafar gave me a very clear brief that he is a street thug. So Bikram needs to look really buff. So I tried to achieve that for Gunde. Ram Leela, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali told me that when I come on screen, and you love this, baby, when you come on the screen, I want girls to either want to take your clothes off, their clothes off, or the screen itself. So I tried to achieve that. There was a lot of dieting that went into it. You had to have a ripped little bit of a physique, but you take your brief from the director. For instance, my current movie, Kill Dil, he said, I want you to look like the boy next door. Very accessible, very relatable. I can't have you have a rippling six-pack and big muscles. So I want you to look completely normal. Somebody who perhaps does not go to the gym. You shouldn't look like that. So you try and alter your physicality according to each character. Because ultimately you're an actor playing characters, you're not playing a bodybuilder in every movie, you know. It means, well, very nice.
Can you
Chocolate.
take off your shirt and show us? Can you take
What?
off your shirt? Here.
It's
Can you please take off your shirt?
fitness. For me, it's a lifestyle. You know, it's a choice you make. And for me, it means a lot of self-confidence. I think till the age of 14, I was considered chubby, overweight. But as I started losing weight, getting fitter and fitter, all the baby fat started going off, especially when I started bodybuilding. I realized that it does wonders for your self-confidence. Like when I'm in good shape, I feel amazing. And when I'm eating crap and I'm out of shape, I don't really feel very good. So for me, it's a feel-good factor. It constitutes a large part of my self-confidence. Especially when you're working in a visual medium and you're in the so-called limelight all the time. It helps if you have that inner confidence, and that comes from fitness. So for me, it's a choice. It's a lifestyle choice.